We're going to do the Rolling Stones Sway, the rhythm guitar part, and we're going to play it in standard tuning with no capo. And mostly what we're going to be doing in this lesson, it relies heavily on just your A shape on strings 4, 3, 2. And we're going to be barring that with our index finger at the 7th fret. That's our D. 10th fret. That's our F on the little riff. 5th fret, it's going to be C. 3rd fret is going to be our B flat. And then we can play our F on the verses just like a E minor shape, where you're fretting those strings 4 and 5, but you're going to slide it up to the 3rd fret. Part of this bar chord. We're just going to be playing. But that is a power chord, is a root in 5th. Alright, so let me do a little demo and then we'll talk about it. So the little riff at the beginning, you're hammering on from 7 to 10. At the 5th fret, you're going to hammer on to the 7th. Then you're going to slide down to the 3rd fret, and that's your B flat. And that repeats twice. And then we're going to go here for our F, like we talked about. And then it's just F, C, B flat for the verses. Alright, so that's how to play Sway by the Rolling Stones, rhythm guitar with no capo and no altered tuning. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, it helps my channel grow. And like this video if you want to see more classic rock lessons. Thanks.